This ancient herb reduces stress by 30%, backed by studies. Lately I was tired, but wired. My mind wouldn't slow down, and my energy disappeared before noon. I wasn't just burned out, I felt like I was running on fumes. I knew something had to change. That's when I came across an ancient herb, used for over 3,000 years to restore energy, calm the mind, and support the body's ability to handle stress. It's called Ashwagandha. Strange name, right? But this little root has helped millions find balance, and now it's part of my daily routine too. A root used in Ayurveda, Ashwagandha, a name that literally means smell of a horse, it's said to give you the strength of one too. In traditional Indian medicine, Ashwagandha was known as a rasayana, a rejuvenator, used to restore energy, support the nervous system, and balance the body during times of stress. Long before the word adaptogen was trending, this herb was already doing the work. Modern science is finally catching up. Ashwagandha has been shown in clinical studies to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, by up to 30%. People report better sleep, less anxiety, and even improved strength and stamina in the gym. For me, it was the calm focus. I started taking it daily, just one capsule in the morning, and within weeks, I felt different. Not buzzed, not sluggish, just balanced. You can take ashwagandha in capsules, powders, or even tinctures. If you want fast results, look for KSM 66 or Sensoril on the label. These are clinically tested extracts with proven benefits. I've linked a few of my trusted brands in the description, organic and beginner-friendly. Start small and stay consistent. Ashwagandha works best when taken daily over time. Quick heads up, ashwagandha might not be for everyone. It can interact with certain medications and isn't always recommended during pregnancy. So check in with a healthcare provider first. Ashwagandha didn't wake me up. It helped me stay grounded. It didn't give me a high, but it brought me back to center. And in a world that never slows down, sometimes that's the kind of power we really need. Thanks for watching the Herbal Code. If this ancient root inspired you, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and let me know, what herb should we unlock next?